My name's Gary Buller. I'm Technical Officer for Manchester Metropolitan PrintCity. I've been at PrintCity for 3 months, but I was a graduate here back in 2001. PrintCity involves working with academics and students in every aspect of 3D print, from the conception of an idea to selecting the technology, through to maintaining the printers and the post-process. The relationship with staff and students at Manchester Metropolitan PrintCity is fantastic. We work closely with the students in one-on-ones, we have round tables, and we get involved hands-on, showing them the practical aspects of 3D print. My favourite thing about Manchester Metropolitan and PrintCity in particular is the wealth of technology and knowledge available to the staff and to the students. PrintCity alone is a unique facility. We have over 40 3D printers here, 7 different types of technology. If I was a student thinking of applying, I'd probably give them the advice of what are you waiting for? If you want to work ahead of the curve with cutting edge technology and some of the brightest minds in the country, then Manchester Metropolitan University is the place to be. If I had to sum up Manchester Metropolitan University in 3 words, I would say innovative, inventive and welcoming.